In this question, it is given that let A belongs to R and let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation this. If alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is minus 30, then the product of all possible values of A is dash. You have to fill in the blank. As A is real, it means this is a quadratic equation with real coefficients. And it is also given that alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is minus 30. It means that alpha and beta are sure to be imaginary numbers, because if alpha and beta are real, then this is sure to be a positive number, hence minus 30 will become impossible. It surely means that alpha and beta are imaginary number, and because they are imaginary and it is a quadratic equation with real coefficients, hence alpha and beta are sure to be conjugate of each other. That is, I can say beta is equal to alpha bar. Hence alpha plus alpha bar will be minus 60 to the power 1 by 4, and alpha into alpha bar will be equal to A. And now it is alpha to the power 4 plus alpha bar to the power 4 is minus 30. And as I want product of all possible values of A, therefore I will require an equation in A. For this, first I square both sides. I get alpha square plus alpha bar square plus 2 alpha bar equal to 60 to the power 1 by 2. And alpha bar is A. Hence, I get alpha plus alpha bar square plus 2A equal to 60 to the power 1 by 2. That is, I get alpha square plus alpha bar square equal to 60 to the power 1 by 2 minus 2A. And now again squaring both sides, I get alpha to the power 4 plus alpha bar to the power 4 plus 2 alpha bar whole square equal to 60 to the power 1 by 2 minus 2A whole square. And the value of this is given to us minus 30 plus 2A square equal to 60 minus 2A plus whole square minus 4A into 60 to the power 1 by 2. That is, I get 2A square minus 4A into 60 to the power 1 by 2 plus 90 equal to 0. And because it is a quadratic equation in A, two values of A are possible. Say those values are A1 and A2. Then A1 into A2 is equal to 90 by 2 equal to 45. Hence the answer to this question is 45.